be ban prit ban check in music.
Members of the All Meghalaya Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan School Teachers Association today attributed the delay for the release of their salary to the agitation taken out by members of the SSA non-teaching staff. According to the president of the association, Aristotle Rimbai, they are not against any democratic protests. However, the same should not have adverse effect on others. He has urged the government to find out ways and means to resolve this issue at the earliest.
Banangalian jogi ka association kawai kawangi ko akan krensyai. Banginom compromise. Batno lakaday bat ka government, lakaday bat kita ki non-teaching staff, lani whoever may be, as far as SSA teachers' right is concerned. Nginom compromise. Ngindawabe, yala ka hok na jong. Ya kabangi day banyo, lakaday ka salary, lani lakaday ka nuno ka benta, lakaday ka hok jong ikinohikaya SSA. Nginom compromise lakaday hakano ano kurukong.